Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Overleaf with VScode so that you can edit LaTeX files locally and sync them to Overleaf. So first thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to install Overleaf Remote Extension or Git Bridge. So Overleaf supports Git, enable Git Bridge, and Overleaf account settings. Now from there, you're going to clone your Overleaf repo. You're just going to copy the Git URL from Overleaf and then in VScode terminal run git clone URL. After that, you're going to open the folder in VS Code and then you can now edit the .text files locally. After that, you're going to push changes to Overleaf. After editing, git add, git commit, and git push sends updates back to Overleaf. And then after that, you're going to compile an Overleaf or locally. Overleaf will auto-compile. You can also use a LaTeX extension in VS Code to compile locally. Now, after that, you're just going to have to sync changes both ways. If edits are made on Overleaf directly, you're just going to pull changes locally using git pull. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.